Hi, it's Granny. We're going to read Wind or Rain. Illustrated by Anthony Lewis. And that's it. It doesn't have, I guess, just illustrated, huh? All right. Let's see. Does Chad like sitting in the water? Yes. Wait. He doesn't. He does. Let's see the next one. Does Katie like her green sun hat? No, she doesn't right here. But in 1 second, she does. Yay! Uh-oh. Does Paolo like his big warm coat? Ooh, let's see. Does he like it? No. Yes. Yes, he does. Does Eve like her red boots? I think she does. Ooh, I like her red boots. She likes them. Ooh. Let's see. Let's just say she likes them. We won't turn it. Does James like the wind? No, he doesn't. How about now? Oh, now he does. Doesn't. Does. Let's see. Let's see the next one. Is Ella happy in the mud? Oh, I would say she is not happy in the mud. What do you think? Let's see. Oh, she's happy. Happy, sad, happy, sad. She's not happy in the mud. Does Wen like puddles? Ah, he does. Does he like puddles? Right now? Uh-oh. How about now? Yes, he does. Will Mina catch the leaves? Oh, it doesn't look like she's going to. Oop. Fingers can't do this. Let's see if she's going to catch them. It doesn't look like it. But how about now? Yes! Yes! Oh no! Did Jay make a snowman? He did. He did make it. But is he happy? He's happy right now. Ooh, let's close. Oh, sad. I was trying to make him happy. Happy. Oh, sad. Oh, no. Let's leave him. Let's see. Right there. Yay. He did make a snowman. Yahoo. Oh, happy it is. Wind or rain. I hope you like the story. Okay, bye. Remember, I love you. Mwah.